After installing the game, you need to fix widescreen, 24 frames per second problem, and low graphics issues. This is how to fix these problems. Simply follow me, what I do in here. That's it. Enjoy the game. If the video helps, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for videos like this.
You gonna back down?
Comment if any old retro games you would like to see me try.